students, it's nice to see your enthusiasm for now public awareness. I'm happy you have understood now the power of social media and you are enthusiastic and energetic to share your ideas and awareness about public health on social media platforms. So we have this different social media platform. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have YouTube. But the advantage of YouTube is that it is a kind of search engine, just like Google, and it is second largest search engine. So anything that you put on YouTube is up for grab across the world. In any country in the world, people can watch if you have uploaded something. If it is meaningful, we are not going deep into the algorithm of YouTube, but it will come up. And also for public health students, it provides a great trail. Anyone who search for your name will be able to find out your output. I just wanted to quickly talk about the videos. First, as you can see the frame, here is the frame. One half you be in the video that is appearing on the screen. So one half, the left side of half, I'm there in the screen as you can see, and the second half, this whole space is open where you can put any picture you want, any kind of animation, any kind of written thing you want to make it appear. You can make over here. You can add the different images by the option of adding sticker in the image. Whatever timeline you are talking about a particular thing, you can put the image, put your name over here at this space. So make sure you don't want to show anything over here, because here your name will come. It is this space. So at this line strip, we can put our name throughout the session of video, and ideally light should come from front. Here I am sitting, so natural sunlight is coming from drawing room right at my face. So the image is crystal clear. If light came from behind, then there was a glow from behind and my face was not so clear. So make sure light is coming from front. If you don't have a very sophisticated light, it's absolutely okay. We are not saying we are making it from studio. We are making it at our home places, so absolutely fine. But still try that light is coming from front. Also make sure fan is not running just at your head, because then the background light will keep flickering. There is some physics involved. Without going into physics, if you have got a tube light and a fan going over your head, so light will keep flickering in the frame. So do ensure best time to shoot is daytime when light is coming from front, then the visual quality is best. Try using camera mic. Then again, with a very small investment, maybe some 500 700 bucks, your voice quality will improve great way. If not using mic, then ensure that you are speaking a little loud, like I said the sentence. With this 2-3 things, making the right frame, being in the half of frame, and using half frame for words, visuals, animation, pictures, making a stripe of your name at the bottom throughout the video, making sure light is coming from front, and speaking loud or using a camera mic. With this 3-4 things, you can make good quality educational video. Thank you.